Telemedicine has grown rapidly, but auscultation remains a key part of complete clinical assessment. AyuSynk Digisteth enables clinicians to listen to heart and lung sounds remotely using real-time audio sharing through connected technology. It brings auscultation into telemedicine, helping clinicians move beyond only visual consultation. This supports remote screening, follow-ups, chronic disease management, and continuity of care. Experience remote auscultation with AyuSynk Digisteth. Book a demo today.